tell Mama.
Annie, I'm sorry.
Shut up! Shut up! If you don't know, I brought you to Lagos so we can join us together and take care of Mama. But you said no!
I'm sorry.
Shut up! I'm talking. I go out, you go out. Now, what can mass money give to you? Nothing! Nothing like your own money. Nothing like your own money. I tell you this, you think it's your body? You think it's your body for crying out loud, you this girl? What do you want me to tell Mama?
I'm sorry. It's not my fault.
Shut up! I'm talking! I'm talking! Don't talk right now! What do you want me to tell Mama? That you are pregnant? How? I brought you to Lagos that... Oh, Jesus. How many months is this pregnancy?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, I don't know.
Excuse me. Who is responsible?
I don't know.
Jesus. My sister have been sleeping around. Go and get me water. Fast. Come back here! Come back here! Get me water, get me water. Get me. Get out! Go to your room!
Oh, man. Hey, what's up? This one you just called me this early morning. What happened?
I'm sorry I called you by this time. But Mama, I want to tell you something.
I don't understand. Why are you looking back and front? I don't understand. What is happening? You just called me from my house like...
I'm sorry, Mama.
What happened?
Okay. You know my sister now?
Yes. The one you just brought from the village, right?
Yes, Mama.
Uh-huh.
She's pregnant.
I don't understand. How come? But you just brought her from the village not quite long, so I don't understand.
Oh my God.
Oh, don't worry, don't worry. Just calm down, okay? Don't worry. I don't need to cry, okay? Don't worry, there's a solution. So, what do you want? Do you want her to keep the child or you want to abort it? Which one?
Abort it. But I'm scared, Mama. I'm scared. What will I tell my mother if I lost my sister?
So if you're scared, why don't you just allow her to keep it?
Mama, keep what? She doesn't know the parent. She doesn't know the father. Mama, I cannot start explaining all this.
Why your sister now, Tondo?
Mama, please, you're shouting.
No problem. Don't worry. I have a good doctor that can actually do that. Yes, I have a good doctor. Yeah.
Really?
Yes, sure.
So like this now. Okay.
Don't worry.
So
okay.
When should you go and see the doctor?
Anytime when you're ready.
Eh?
If you're ready now, we can just go.
No. I don't know how to convince her. So can we go tomorrow?
I don't understand. You want to convince her or she's supposed to even beg you to take her to somewhere?
I'm shouting now. So I can go and...
If you don't want to go, tell me, shoot.
I'll go, please. Now. Hey.
Mr. Abigail, you're welcome again.
Thank you very much.
Is she the Miss Chidinma Ebere?
Yes, doctor.
See, I won't want to disappoint you, but from our result here, just as you suspected, Miss Chidinma is 5 months pregnant. Yes, she's 5 months pregnant. Yes, I know you must have suspected that already. And from our talk, you said you still want to go ahead with the abortion.
Yeah,
Yes. Should I go?
No, I trust you. No, very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
See, madam, I will advise you to keep this baby because it's 50-50 chance.
No, don't worry. Since my pet mother said we should go ahead with abortion, I'm ready.
Okay. It's okay if you still want to go ahead, but according to my own profession, I don't advise it.
Oh, doctor, no, you have.
So, from my perspective and observation and everything, so I won't want you to go on with this. It's 50-50 chance. I won't want you to go on with the abortion.
Oh, don't you know you're never disappointed. Now this is not the first abortion.
Abigail, Miss Abigail, you should understand.
Let's go ahead. Since my pet mother already said let's go, I'm ready.
Madam, we can just go on with the process. We will need you to sign some documents.
Yes, you have to sign.
Really?
Yes, you have to sign.
Okay, there's no problem.
You will sign.
Yes. You caused it yourself. So bear it and make sure you come back to me alive.
Madam, she's 5 months pregnant. Just keep your calm.
Okay.
So I will tell the nurse, let me call the nurse to bring the documents so you sign them so we can proceed.
Okay, doctor. Wait. Sorry. Are you okay? Is your stomach paining you? Sorry, okay? You caused this yourself if you don't know. You caused it. To endure. Make sure you endure it. Sorry, yeah? Sorry, yeah? Sorry. See your face. This is already swollen. Sorry. Sorry. Let me bring water for you. What is that? Eh? Sorry. Sorry, yeah? You'll be fine, okay? Just make sure. Wait till. Wait. Small.
Jesus
Yes!
is Lord!
Chidima, wake up! My phone, where's my phone? Okay.
He's going to do something. How is she?
Madam, you see, something's happened for a purpose. And I don't want you to maybe cause awareness because of what I'm about to tell
Doctor,
you.
please go straight.
Calm down. Hello, calm down.
I just hope my sister is alive right now.
Calm
Because
down, madam.
She's going to be alive. Calm down.
We did try our best.
Try your best. I don't understand.
As doctors, but it's only God that can heal and save life.
my sister is alive right now.
Madam, calm down.
I just want my sister
Madam,
to be
calm down.
alive right
No,
now.
madam, see, you can't do that here. Okay. Miss Abigail, I will need you to do this comforting because we lost her.
Please.